All right, textbook figure 7.4 on page 107. What do we have here? A bunch of leaf pictures. You might have to draw something that would illustrate the various things we're about to talk about. First of all, we need to pick out which ones are the gymnosperm leaves. I'm circling around what's the first letter that has a gymnosperm leaf. I think it's letter what? Letter I. It's like a juniper tree there. Letter I. What's the other gymnosperm in this the picture here? BK, the famous ginkgo biloba. The rest must be angiosperms. Angiosperms are monocots or dicots. How many monocots in this picture? A whopping what? One. Which letter? E. How do we characterize monocot leaves? Usually long and narrow, and the veins are what? Parallel. So E is our monocot. The rest must be dicots. Must be dicots. How do we characterize dicot leaves? Usually a little broader, kind of a broad leaf, and the veins. Oh, I gave it away. The veins form a what? A network. Okay, let's take these in alphabetical order. Letter A. What do we have here? Simple or compound leaf. Ooh, I only see one axillary bud, and so these must be leaflets, part of a compound leaf. And so one compound leaf pictured here. Alternate or opposite leaf arrangement, you say, or whorled. You say whorled. Well, if you say whorled, you're thinking of the leaflets. If I say leaf arrangement, there's only one leaf here. There's its axillary bud, another leaf going off the other way. And so the leaf arrangement, here's one, must be what? Opposite. So we have opposite compound leaves as part of this plant. Opposite compound leaves. What do we have here with B? Compound or simple? Simple leaves. One blade. Axillary bud. Leaf arrangement. Alternate, opposite, or whorled? Opposite. Yeah, opposite. What's next? C. Ooh, C. Simpler compound. Leaf. This one's a compound leaf. One little bud there. And these guys are all leaflets, are they not? Leaflets. And so one leaf pictured here in C. And so the leaf arrangement is alternate, opposite, or whorled. Ooh, it is what? Alternate. Why is that? Well, this is the only leaf at this node right here. There's not one going the other way. There's none anyplace else of this node, so the next one must be up the stem a little ways. And so we have compound leaf, alternate leaf arrangement. What do we have with D? Compound or simple leaves. These are simple leaves. There's the axillary bud. Alternate, opposite, or whorled leaf arrangement. Alternate. They alternate up the stem. That's D. E. E was our monocot. F. Back to a dicot leaf. And let's see what we got here. Simpler compound leaf. It is a simple leaf, alternate, opposite, or whorled leaf arrangement. Alternate. Here's one here. There's one over there. There's the what right there? Axillary bud. G. G. They do this kind of small, but let's assume that every one of these is a leaf, not a leaflet, but a leaf. And so you had one of those on your plant box that you might have drawn. But anyway, how many leaves then at each node? Looks like about six. Six leaves at each node. And are they simple or compound? Well, if each one's a leaf, they got to be what? Simple. Six simple leaves. And what's the leaf arrangement at each node? It is what? Whorled. 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 Whorled leaf arrangement. GH. What's next? Simpler compound. Simple and alternate, opposite, or whorled leaf arrangement. There's one here, and that's the only one at that node, right? So this next one must be up the stem. And so this would be simple and leaf arrangement, alternate leaf arrangement. H, I, I, I. We already picked out that's the gymnosperm. J, I can't tell what's going on there too well. Uh, and K is another gymnosperm. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that does it for this one. All right, bye bye.